Is Matt gonna get it? Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, we almost destroyed it earlier. Because we went too high with it, and then I tried to bring it down, and then the glider went above the thing. It was bad.
Got caught up.
I was like, oh god. Because
All right.
that drone started falling.
Yeah.
I saw it, I was like, no. No.
Uh-oh.
All right.
All right,
Let's go.
Hit it.
Let's try to catch it. Oh man, that's gonna be hard to catch. Nah, you're good. Just, yeah, it's not catching it. I'm not catching that. Maybe.
Whoop, sorry. I mean, closer than expected.
Oh no, I think I actually could have caught that. All right, so we've reviewed all the data points and we know exactly where the foam glider should land. And so since all my friends are out here right now, we just decided that it was gonna be more or less like a free-for-all. Like, we're just gonna have everybody go to the data point spot, and then everyone's going to collectively, as a group effort, jump out of their vehicles and try to catch this foam glider. Perhaps we might catch it.
Challenge accepted.
I just want to avoid a three-way collision. As we all try to catch it.
I feel like
the clickbait.
Yes, exactly. So what do you think? Is your team gonna collect it or catch it, or?
I think we have more mobility to get to it, so I think we'll catch it.
All right, that's fair. Better.
I'm the only one who's actually caught this thing today, so.
All right, well, I guess we're gonna find out. Here we go.
Can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in.
Oh, totally behind us. All right, so yeah, go that way.
Oh, there it is.
Yep. Just really like chasing it down. I'd get ahead of it. Yeah, you can go faster than that. I think it's gonna bank right though. Oh, okay. All right, it's gonna bank right. All right, now go hard right.
Can't see it.
All right.
Right in front of the side.
Good, go hard right, hard right, hard right. Fast as you can, fast as you can. Get ahead of it, get ahead of it. Like floor it. Keep going straight.
Working on it.
Keep going straight. Straight, fast as you can.
I'm doing it. We're right below.
Okay.
We're right below.
Left.
Get it,
Keep
get it,
going
get it,
as fast as you can. Oh my God, you were so close. You were so. Oh my God! Wow! Wow! The battle continues. You touched it. You had it in your hand.
I touched it and it just went and just.
I can't believe that.
You're inches away.
That's my fault. If you touch it, you're supposed to catch it, right?
That's the idea. Bro, I'm seriously so impressed that you actually almost caught that.
I was like, the round part just went and it slipped out. I should have. I don't know. I should have did everything different.
I couldn't do anything different.
Yeah, you're like, dude, I couldn't see anything.
No, I was all right, get out.
Yeah, and you're like, no, because like I was like, I'm gonna get out too, and I was like, no, there's no way to catch it. Like we have to stay in the car.
Yeah.
Like, cause it's ascending too fast.
Yeah.
So just like, I was like, floor it, and then I was like off though. You know what I mean?
Then just made that right hand turn.
You were right there. All right, let's do it again. I think we're gonna have to just hope that it does a full loop.
Starting to bank back.
All right, so we're just gonna, our strategy is we're gonna chill right here. Just stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. I think it's gonna come back around.
Yeah, looks like it.
Or not. Go, take the path. As fast as you can on the path. Oh no, it's banking. No, shit.
My turn?
Yeah, do it.
I lost it. Can you see it?
Yep, straight ahead. Oh man, we should have just stayed where we were.
Yeah, we should.
Is Matt gonna get it? Oh my god! No way! Oh my god, that's so ridiculous! Wow, dude, second try. Wow. Two hands.
One hand doesn't work.
Dude, wow. Okay, professional driver. Okay, this makes sense now. All right, I get it.
Yeah, it's all the driving.
In a UTV, it all makes sense. I mean, dude, 2 catches in one day, that's pretty much it, man.
Wow, good.
All right, well, I'm down to buy y'all pizza if you're down.
Oh, I'm down.
Let's do it. That was so sick, dude.
Awesome.
Amazing.
Woo!
So sick. All right, so we lost this round, but it's all right because in general, we have still won because we got 2 catches in one day. There's no way that we were gonna catch up to them. So bringing out our friends to this one totally made sense. Really, the data points actually did kind of show where it was gonna be, generally speaking, but they crushed it. I owe them pizza. I'm definitely down to buy it for everybody.
Let's go.
That was so sick, dude. Amazing. Woo!
That was awesome.
I'm like, did you get it? I'm looking and I saw the street. I'm like, yeah!
Good fucking catch. Good way to.
Got it.
Good driving too.
It was a
Damn.
All right, so at what point were you like, dude, I know I gotta turn?
We were kind of working together, and then he was like, "Oh, it's turning, go back," and so we turned around, and then we were going, and I saw it come down the front, and I was like, "Did you get it?" And I saw the line hanging down all the way.
Dropping that one.
That's awesome. What'd you think, man? Was it great that we caught it? Mm-hmm. Fantastic. All right, legit. I'm gonna buy everybody pizza. Yeah.
That's why we're all here.
Of course you are, Griff.